see me a blood clot record. They shoot the righteous. You don't see me a record. You don't see me a record. They lick out the blood. Yeah, you might drive for me and tell you. You can't see me a record. Yeah, daily. I'll let you.
So what him do?
Put in your officer, put in your pocket when I'm a pocket. Officer, it's the right for video. What do you mean it's not video? It's the constitutional right for video. Officer, it's the constitutional right to video. If me lawyer tell me that, Miss Miller, me no video uno, me video one in conduct. No, the police say, it's my right to video. It's my right to video. It's my right to video, my general. What do you mean I'm a right to video? My general,
put your phone in your pocket.
So we're going to box me down.
No, I'm
not. You tell me to put on my phone, do this and do that, you search. My general, you not like how you operate. Look how you jape me up. Just look how you jape me up, my general. Just look how you go on, me just a video. Let's have enough video, you know. Just look how you go on here, some video. What you mean a video, yo? Look how you jape me up, some video, yo. Look how my tax line, yo. Look how you mean let him go because me the video, yo. Look how they go on me video, yo. Just look how me they go on. Just look how police deal with me, yo. Me not do nothing bad, man. Me drive go my business, yo. Me have my seat that me not use on phone. Nothing at all, yo. Then I have no, yo. I guess come and every meet and violate my constitutional right, yo. It's my right to video. What do you mean I'm right for video? Me not have no video for you, me video one day. When you going on my car, when you going on the car, I want to see what they happen. Police come with gun warrant, search warrant, say me have gun on my yard. Me do everything. You just search me. You just search the car, me video what you do. It's my safety. It's how me feel safe. Me not pass the speed limit, me have on my seatbelt, me not use my phone. Nothing to pull me over. When you pull me over, it's my right to video. Tell me if you don't video, I put on my phone there. So they jail me off. Yo, bad man. If I something come like a joke thing. Me they talk to the police already. Me talk to the gentleman talk jail me if you don't put no camera upon him. And me go on so good. Me general, what me they do? Me say nothing bad to you. Me say nothing. Me ask you one question. Me put my video upon you. Me ask you something. Me disrespect you for me come out of the car.
Ina video man. Yeah. The camera. Yeah, the camera.
Ingat Jamaica na, man, please.